When you use R in RStudio, your goal is to analyze data. Ultimately, you want to be able to understand that data and present it in a meaningful way. And in order to do so, you need to run tests on your data and interpret the results. These tests build on each other, so as you progress through your semester, you will need to use more and more each time to complete an assignment. This video is the first in a set of 5 videos that will show you the different tests and coding tasks you can run in RStudio and what each of them is used for. There are 4 general categories of code you will run: descriptive statistics, tests to determine if your data is typical or not, inferential statistics, and other types of coding that don't fit into the other categories. Descriptive statistics gives you a basic summary of your data. For example, it will give you the mean and standard deviation, among other values. Next, there are tests to determine if your data is typical. This means you are figuring out whether your data can be analyzed with a parametric test or not. The first set of tests are called assumptions. You test the data to see if it can meet the requirements or assumptions for a parametric test. The second set of tests are run if that data does not meet the assumptions, and these are called transformations because they transform the data to potentially make it possible to analyze it with a parametric test. Third is inferential statistics. These are the parametric and non-parametric tests. The difference between these two is that parametric tests allow you to analyze regular, typical data. Non-parametric tests allow you to analyze data that is not considered typical or does not meet the assumptions for normal data. You can use inferential stats for 2 main things. You can either analyze the differences between different populations or data sets, or you can analyze the relationships between variables. Finally, there are miscellaneous coding tasks you can do in RStudio. These are not tests for your data. The 2 tasks are producing charts or graphs from data and generating simulated data sets. That concludes this video. Thanks for watching.